like art?
Yes, I do. I think art is a beautiful and expressive way to communicate ideas and emotions. I enjoy seeing the different ways that artists use color, shape, and form to create their work. I also appreciate the way that art can transport me to another world or make me think about things in a new way.
Do you think that art should be taught in schools?
I definitely think that art should be taught in schools. Art is not just about making pretty pictures. It can also help children to develop their creativity, problem-solving skills, and fine motor skills. Art can also help children to express themselves and to understand the world around them.
How does learning art helps children to develop?
Learning art can help children to develop in many ways. Here are some of the benefits of art education for children. Creativity. Art can help children to express their creativity and to explore their imaginations. Problem solving. Art can help children to develop their problem-solving skills. When they are creating art, children need to think about how to use different materials and techniques to achieve their desired results. Fine motor skills. Art can help children to develop their fine motor skills. This is important for tasks such as writing, drawing, and using tools. Visual spatial skills. Art can help children to develop their visual spatial skills. This is important for tasks such as navigating the world around them and understanding maps. Self-expression. Art can help children to express themselves and to communicate their thoughts and feelings. Self-confidence. Art can help children to develop their self-confidence. When they create art, children can see their own unique abilities and talents.
If you were a famous painter, what sort of pictures would you paint?
If I were a famous painter, I would paint pictures that were both beautiful and thought-provoking. I would want my paintings to make people feel something, whether it was joy, sadness, anger, or something else. I would also want my paintings to be visually appealing and to use color and form in a way that was both pleasing to the eye and meaningful. I think that art is a powerful tool that can be used to communicate ideas, emotions, and experiences. I would be honored to be a famous painter and to use my art to make a difference in the world.
Describe a work of art that you really like. You should say what it is, who created it, where you saw it, and explain why you like it.
The Starry Night is an oil-on-canvas painting by Vincent van Gogh. It was painted in June 1889 and depicts the view from the east-facing window of his asylum room at Saint-Rémy-de-Provence, just before sunrise, with the addition of an imaginary village. The Starry Night was created by Vincent van Gogh, a Dutch post-impressionist painter. I saw the Starry Night at the Museum of Modern Art in New York City. I like the Starry Night because it is a beautiful and expressive painting. The swirling clouds in the sky are mesmerizing, and the village below is so peaceful and serene. The painting also has a sense of mystery and wonder, which I find very appealing. I first saw the Starry Night when I was a teenager, and I was immediately captivated by it. The colors are so vibrant and alive, and the brushwork is so expressive. I felt like I was transported to another world when I looked at the painting. Since then, I've seen the Starry Night many times, and I always find something new to appreciate. It's a painting that I never get tired of looking at. I think it's one of the most beautiful and moving paintings ever created. Here are some of the things that I like about the Starry Night. The colors are vibrant and alive. The blues, greens, and yellows are so intense, and they seem to glow from within. The brushwork is expressive and energetic. Van Gogh used thick, swirling brushstrokes to create the clouds and the sky. The painting has a sense of mystery and wonder. The village below is so peaceful and serene, but the sky is full of swirling clouds and stars. It's a painting that makes you wonder what's going on in the world beyond. I think the Starry Night is a masterpiece, and it's one of my favorite works of art. It's a painting that I can always come back to and find something new to appreciate.
In your opinion, is art an important part of culture?
Yes, I believe that art is an important part of culture. Art can be a way to express our identity, our values, and our beliefs. It can also be a way to communicate with others and to understand different cultures. Art can also be a source of beauty, inspiration, and joy.
What would life be like without art?
Life without art would be a much less colorful and interesting place. Without art, we would not have the paintings, sculptures, music, and literature that we enjoy so much. We would also not have the opportunity to express ourselves creatively or to connect with others through art.
Why do you think people like to have paintings in their homes?
People like to have paintings in their homes for a variety of reasons. Some people enjoy the beauty of paintings, while others appreciate the way that paintings can add personality and character to a home. Paintings can also be a way to express our personal style or to reflect our interests.
Do you agree with this statement? Graffiti is a form of art and should be respected.
I agree with this statement to a certain extent. I believe that some graffiti can be considered art, but not all graffiti. Graffiti that is well executed and thought-provoking can be a form of expression and can add beauty to a space. However, graffiti that is simply vandalism or that is offensive should not be respected.
Why do you think people create graffiti?
People create graffiti for a variety of reasons. Some people create graffiti as a way to express themselves or to make a statement. Others create graffiti as a way to mark their territory or to show their affiliation with a particular group.
Still others create graffiti simply because they enjoy the act of creating it. Who do you think should pay for public works of art?
I think that there are a few different groups that could pay for public works of art. Governments could fund public art projects, as they often do. Businesses could also sponsor public art projects as a way to give back to the community. Or, individuals could donate money to support public art projects. Ultimately, I think that the best way to pay for public art is through a combination of these different sources. This would ensure that public art projects are accessible to everyone and that they reflect the diversity of our communities.